Just hopped off a 14-hour flight to Dubai. Here's what they picked me up in. This is sweet. Oh shoot, look at this.
Dude, we're here in Randy's bang bus.
Looks like we're stuck.
You need to pull it.
Just hopped off a 14-hour flight to Dubai, and here's what they picked me up in. This is the luggage car. I've got my luggage in here. Check out the carbon fenders. Okay, but I don't know what this is. Can I check out the interior on this? What is this? You guys are chilling. I'm sure you guys know Ben. This is HeartNet Media. What the? Yo, hey, Dubai's gonna be crazy.
It's already lit, man.
Where are we going?
Go and pick up Jimmy first of all, then the hotel.
This is sweet. Oh shoot, look at this.
It's actually Randy's size.
What kind of car is this?
This is, I think it's a Viano. It's just a Mercedes van, but it's been converted by a company to be like a luxury wagon of some sort. We have like
1 of 50.
Wow. These are massage seats too.
I'm gonna turn mine on. Oh no, that's a position.
Can you put doggy? Oh, look who it is.
Is this an actual vlog?
Yeah, this is the actual vlog, bro.
Dude, we're here in Randy's bang bus.
All right, Dan, get naked. How you liking Dubai so far?
I've been here for cumulatively 30 minutes. We got picked up in this rad van thing, and it's humid.
We're gonna be doing some drifting. Dude, Dubai's gonna be fun.
Yeah, we've been hearing about our itinerary right now because I had no idea what to expect coming into it, but it sounds like we're gonna have a pretty cool week. So
We are. We got picked up in this. Dan's gonna be showing us around.
tomorrow, big day. I need sleep as well.
exciting stuff, Randy.
Where are we headed to, Jimmy?
Sultans. Use the shake.
Where are we, Ben?
And we're at Sultan's place in Abu Dhabi. Look at this place.
So is this all his cars?
I believe so. These are all Sultan's
Yeah,
cars.
all these cars except the Z, which is mine, which you're driving, and the Mustang, which is Reese's, I think, which Dave is driving.
All right, guys, this place is literally amazing, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of the cars here at Sultan's shop. He has a little bit of everything here. I'm literally just gonna make my way down. If you guys wanna pause this video to check anything out, be my guest. We've got a US spec coupe. I guess these are super expensive here. We've got a Street Fighter E46. And I think most of these cars have LS's in them. Sultan is a big LS fanatic. This one right here has an LS, but this is also a drift car. He loves drifting, and this has WiseFab and everything. I think he said that this car was cheaper than an S15 back in the day. That's hard to believe, but okay. If you guys didn't know, this thing has a twin turbo LSA.
Joyce up this side.
Really cool.
Sweet, thank you.
Go inside. It's all aluminum.
This is Sultan, by the way, guys. These are all his cars, and he loves drifting, if you didn't already notice. I'm just gonna make my way down. There's literally so many cars that I can talk about, but LS in this, I'm sure there's LS's in everything else. Surprisingly, guys, there's no LS in here. He kept this one rotary, but let's see if there's an LS in this one. Yep, LS. What is this? Oh, oh, it's a Radical. Wow. We're also here to drift, guys. So this is my car that I'm gonna be drifting. Huge shout out to Dan, and Jimmy's gonna be actually drifting the 370Z. And it's a grassroots drift event. So the rules for this is all the cars have to have stock motor. I think you can have angle kit and just a handbrake, and that's literally it. I can't believe they flew us out here to Dubai to judge a show and drift their cars. That's all they asked. I'm super excited. Let me show you guys what the car has. Got some equips, okay, and of course my favorite, the Work T7Rs. And I think the car is relatively stock. Only mods are angle kit and hydro. That's pretty much it. No cage, no bucket seats. And I guess I'm competing this weekend. Wish me luck. I've never competed before, but you know what? I just love driving with other drivers and learning a little bit of their technique. I've been driving with Josh, Coda, and a bunch of my other friends, and it's already made me such an aggressive driver. I don't think I'm gonna do too well in tandems because I'm still learning, but you know what? We're gonna go out and we're gonna give it all we've got. And I hope I leave without this car getting damaged. And of course, with a little more experience, because I know Jimmy's a pretty good driver himself.
Hello, how are you, Randy? You good?
Yeah, doing good, doing good. Yeah, no, I was expecting supercars everywhere, but I'm loving that I get a piece of home everywhere I go.
Technically, there is supercars everywhere, except for with this guy.
Exactly.
It's the opposite. It's just crazy builds. This is Gran Turismo in real life, or Forza.
So you really do love drifting, huh?
Basically, yeah.
That's sweet, dude. That's so cool.
This is the spot.
It's a bit dusty.
ITBs, huh?
Yeah, LS7, 7-liter ITBs.
Wow, and this is a drift car
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
with
Nice fun.
WiseFab too. Wow.
Trying to keep it fun, dude.
I'm like you, but with S chassis. You got all the cooler stuff.
You're more baller. You have an S chassis, you're more baller. I have one or two, that's it.
Check this out, guys. I noticed this is an S15, but one thing that's different is it's actually left-hand drive. Is there a reason why it's left-hand drive?
Shout out to Forrest Swang. He told me how to do it the right way. And it's actually, because a lot of people did it and the arms and stuff never align. He told me how to do it. It's we're running like a NASCAR steering column, S14 rack and everything. So shout out to Forrest Swang. Thanks for the tips. The car's really good.
Nice. So you have to make him left-hand drive?
No, we don't. It's just for me.
Oh, it's just for you?
Because I keep opening the door if I'm on the right side. I don't like trying to yank the handle. I got used to left hand.
You have an amazing collection.
Thank you so much.
Ah, so this is your car,
Could be all the way in Dubai and they're still cracking the same jokes. You see
right?
that?
All right, guys, last time the Z's gonna look like that.
I'm coming for you, Randy.
What did you want me to do?
Crash it. Completely wreck it. We need Dan to, I need them to like say what happened? No, like completely wreck it.
All right, I'm gonna total this car.
Z's, they take a good hit, so they take a good hit.
Like, you see the fancy wheels? We don't want them to be fancy wheels. Like, completely.
Okay, we want to unequip the equips.
I love that.
You see those polished T7Rs in the back? We want them unpolished.
Those are chrome, dude. Those poor things. Let's take those ones off.
Okay, yeah, you're right. I'll be nice on that. But everything else?
With everything.
I don't know where we are, guys, but it's time for lunch. And right here's the garage of my dreams, guys. I'm sure you guys already know what car this is. Sultan's R34. Garage goals. I'm moving to Dubai, guys.
This is so wild. I've never been, I mean, I went to Saudi Arabia, but it's like weird to just drive and then boom, there's just desert right there. So there is road underneath all of this. Do they ever come by and just like plow the snow? I heard the snow, the sand.
They threw salt on it.
In the desert.
There we go.
Sweet.
Oh, that thing's so sick.
That's so pretty.
Look at this thing. What? Everybody here has been so cool, so friendly, and we all just love cars. I wish I could stop and show you guys everything, but we brought out the Bentley with the Wise Fab and just a whole bunch of cars. Aston Martin is out. Honestly, I thought Dubai was gonna be so hot. It's actually so nice right now. Only in Dubai will you find an S15 all the way out here.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about you, Jimmy, but I think I'm driving it first.
You might have to sit on my lap.
Are you sure? Wait, so which one are we sitting on? Ah, kidding. Oh, cockpit. This thing is cool, guys. I hope I get to drive this later. I'm very curious on how this thing drives. Hello there, Vlogception.
Long way from Connecticut, Jimmy.
Just a little.
Casual Aston Martin in the desert drift car.
Oh yeah.
Guys, Jimmy's driving the Bentley. And this thing, the door is so light. Literally lighter than the lid on my trash can. I'm not even kidding. I'm gonna show you guys why this is called a Bentley. Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. I have the best job ever. This is so fun. I get to do this every day. How was it?
It's sick. It's so funny because it's like, it feels light, but it still feels huge. You know what I mean?
It's a big car.
It's a big car.
And it looks so weird when it's managing.
It probably looks so funny.
It looks like your brain can't take it in. It looks like you've got the cheat code in like Forza and you're just like drifting.
I know, I just took the controller and did the up, down, left, right, left, right.
It looks insane.
I guess I get to drive.
Yeah, show me how it's done.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, let's do it. We're gonna have to steal the pads.
Oh, the seat doesn't move.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is gonna be fun to watch.
Here.
There you go. I think we got it.
Mission 1, 2. Cool. All right, I'm gonna start it. All right.
Yeah, sender. Oh, you got this in. Oh, it's right here.
Perfect.
Oh, there's no mirrors. How do I reverse without hitting anybody?
You're good.
There's nobody behind me?
No, you're good. You're good. I can see if you want me to do it.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. You're good. Keep going back. Keep going back. Get after it. There you go. There you go.
No cars behind us?
No, you're good. You're good. You're good.
How cool is this?
There you go. Yeah! Oh! Hey! I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, baby! That was sick.
I can barely reach the
You
pedals
found
in there.
third. I couldn't get it in the third. I kept grinding third.
Really?
Yeah, it's weird. Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
Get it, baby. Get it. Yeah! Oh! There we go. Oh.
You know what? Let's not crash here. Oh my god. I can barely reach the pedals. It's kind of scary.
so much sand in my eyes.
Yeah.
I love your face, dude.
Look at my dude. Look at my legs. We're full extendo.
Full extendo. I love it.
Oh, I can't see anything.
These are happy tears.
Sultan, thank you. This is so cool.
Legendary.
Yeah. This isn't my car. Let's put it back. We can crash on Sunday.
Okay.
That's it, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Does this flip?
It's easier this way.
No, there's no way this will flip. Because I'm driving. Catch me in the HeartNet Media video.
Holy. Yeah, this thing needs to cool down. You know, this thing is hot. Why the fuck is it so much deeper over here?
Well, you went for the jump.
That was sick, yeah.
That was sick, yeah.
Don't give us
Oh, we are buried. Can we not deflate? Oh, shit. Yep. I fucking love Dubai, dude. This shit is fucking sick. Looks like we're stuck.
You need to pull it. The diff is stuck. The diff is stuck. Unless I go digging for 1 hour under the diff.
Oh, I see what you mean. Jimmy, get to digging.
This thing got stuck way too easily before. I'm hoping it's not as deep once we get over there where we were.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Don't stop, keep going. Forward.
Trying to find them.
Oh my god.
Wild, man.
You gotta manji it, bro.